So if you have a Chrysler Crossfire and you need to manually open the convertible top, you'll need this tool right here. And to open the convertible, what you need to do is first come into the trunk. Then if you look right down here, right there, we need to put the wrench this side of it and unlock the convertible. So it's unlocked right there. Next you can grab the top right here, and just lift it up. Allow that to drop down. Continue holding this up right here. And you can grab the top right there and just drop it into the trunk. Once that's done, you can slowly drop this with your finger. And one last thing is you need to lock it here, because otherwise it's just gonna beep as you drive. So you need to reinsert the tool, push down until it locks. And you can see that it's popped up right here, so that part is unlocked. That's the first thing you need to do. On that, you can come inside and just pop the top up. So next we can come in here and lift up this part. If you look in here, you see this slot. Just insert the tool like so. And then that's where the tool goes. And you pull up.